Okay, I'll tell you one story. Once there is a woman who has nearly around 50 to 55 years. She is sitting on corner and keep on crying. And like this. What happened to me? God, where are you? God, where are you? Why my life is like the ruin? Then suddenly, the God who is in heaven, he woke up suddenly because of her crying. Who is the girl? Who is the girl? God immediately appeared in front of her and asked her, "Excuse me, madam. Who are you?" "Ma, I am God, you know. You are crying for me. That's why I came in front of you." Are you God? Really? Really, Amma, believe me. Tell me, where did you come? "Ma, you called me, right? You called me. That's why I came. Tell me, what's your problem?" "God? You are God, right? Then I'll tell you." "Yes, believe me. Can I do any miracles like magician?" No need. I believe you. Now, listen, God. Fine. But the girl didn't get married, and the boy is not settled. Why all the problems are in my mind? You all are happy. I am not happy. Common problems are being in your life in each and every individual. But you feel you are in the problems. Believe you are not in the problems. Try to fight with it. Don't tell all these bullshit things to me. I'm in the problems. Seriously. Why this girl? Okay, tell me, who is not in the problems? Do you know anybody? Of course, in my street there is in the corner, there is one bank manager. Somebody said here, like you. One bank manager was there. So, one bank manager was there. A woman, she's a manager. Around 50 members work under her. Whenever she comes, all are respected. What they respect her. She's I got that power. She's happy. Shall we go to her? Okay. Then God brought this woman to bank manager. God said, "Hello. Hello, sir. Do you know who I am? I'm God, and she has some doubts, sir. God can do everything. Don't ask me why, how. Just a story. Excuse me, madam, bank manager. Are you happy?" "No, sir, I am not happy. How can I be happy?" You are a bank manager. You are earning around 1 lakh per month, and power, especially, not only money, power. 50 members work under you. If you say sit down, they sit. If you say stand, they stand. What? Sir, when I was a clerk, I am happy. Now bank manager, sir, whoever do any mistake, the problem comes to me. Very headache, sir. Sir, first to 10th, very horrible. And ending month, very horrible, sir. Then when you are happy, Amma? When I was a clerk, I am happy. God went to clerk. A woman. "Amma, are you happy?" "No." "Why?" "Sir, I was the topper in the degree. I was a topper in mathematics, reasoning, arithmetic, everything, English. Then what problem?" "Sir, I was a topper." "Okay, how many times can you tell you are a topper? Of course not." "Sir, I was a topper. Now I got this job of bank clerk. Do you know what my job is? Every day. Monitors work, sir. Sir, my entire skills are ruined. My lecturers always praising me. You are intelligent. That's why I applied for job. Immediately I got the job. But I'm not enjoying this job." So you are not happy. Then when you are happy, when I was in degree, very happy. God went to a girl of degree like, "Am I happy?" What happened? Enjoyable life, degree. "Sir, now I am the final year. My father, my mother told me to look for one bakara. A job. He will treat me like that. So if I settle, my life is okay. If I not settle, what about my life? Confusion, sir. How is going to be, whether it is smart or not? I don't know. Very confusion, sir. I'm with very high tension. I'm not happy. Then when you're happy, enter happy. God went to internet girl. Happy. What happened to you? Sir, that's Sri Chaitanya Narayana. I'm sorry. Some of the callers are there, sir. Summer comes, my parents watched that ad and they joined me into that college. And my father expected, can I see your photograph on the pamphlet? How can it possible, sir? Some fellow appeared on the TV screen. How could I? Very mental tension, sir. Sir, I am in my hometown, very happy, sir. Now I am in Hyderabad or Vizag somewhere. Oh, God. Then when you are happy? 10th? When you come to 10th? Yes. Good. Am I happy? No. Why? Sir, when I come to the 10th class, even if I go to any function, any marriage function, what are the functions? Are you 10th class? Oh, can we expect 10 points? Even if grandma also asks the same question, yeah, ma, can we expect 10 points? How can I? Then when you're happy, sir, when I was in 4th and 3rd class, I'm happy. God went to the 4th class girl. Am I happy? Oh, you are just a kid, you are playing, why you not? Sir, I was happy, sir, but my younger brother came after me. The entire love and affection goes to him, sir. My parents not bothered about me. That's why I'm not happy. And sir, just I remember when I was in nursery and LKG, I changed my shoes left to right, right to left. My father and my mother, how cute you are. If I do the same thing now, left to right, right to left, don't have right. What happened to them? Just 2 or 3 years ago, my mother fed me food. Oh no, I said, I only ate. I wasted a lot of food. Then I said, how cute you are wasting the food, she said. But now if even one rice grain, don't you know how to eat the food? What happened to my mother? I don't know. I'm not happy. Then when you're happy, 6 months or 3 months child. A girl of 6 months. God can talk to her, right? I told you already. So God went to, Emma, are you happy? You are just a child. That's the problem. I know only one language. Language of crying. Whenever I cry, my mother feels to feed up me. No, it's not incoming, outgoing from me, understand. Even she doesn't understand, she keep on feeding. How can I can't express my happiness, I can't express sadness. What kind of problem? She couldn't understand. God said that when you're happy, I'm happy. When I was in mother's womb, mother's womb, God entered there also. God can go, don't ask me. Emma, are you happy? What are you never just born, right? You are not born, you are in the womb. Yes. Punarapi maranam, punarapi jananam, punarapi janani jatare senam. Iha samsare, bahudustare. See, malli puttuta, malli gittuta, talli kadapulo anigi unduta. It is the biggest problem we ever faced in our life. Right? In the mother's womb, it's very difficult. We are in the deep darkness. We always compare ourselves with somebody. She is happy, I am not happy. She is good, I am not good. Don't compare. Remember, you are a unique selling piece. You have your own thumb impression. Am I? Never before, never after. You have only one retina. Never before, never after. You have unique DNA. Never before, never after. You are a unique being. So remember always that you are something special from others. Don't say, for example, okay, we are, for motivation purpose, some photographs were there, but you should not say, I want to become like her, I want, why? Already they are. Okay? You do something different because you are special, you are forgetting that. You are something special. Whenever you believe that in your heart, then you can create sensations. And remember that in your mind, remember that in your heart. Am I clear? So everyone is in problems. From birth to death, problems are very quite common. And who is facing so many problems, he can shine very much. Remember that. You are the girls, You are very fond of and love gold, right? But when does that gold shine? When does it shine? It should be burnt and burnt and burnt. It is hammered and hammered and hammered. Then only it will shine. Then only it will be attracted. Then only it is a very high cost. When you simply go to a jewelry shop, which design is beautiful, you're looking for, which is shine, you select. In the same way, if a normal jewelry requires more hammer than it comes to beautiness, in the same way you too also come across so many problems in your life. Whenever you're in the problems, when you are able to face the problems, then only you will shine, you will become the role model for next generations. Am I clear? So I want to end with small Telugu poem because our language is very beautiful, right? Puttuta oka chinta. Chinta means problem. Puttuta oka chinta. Bhoomi nungata chinta. Samsara oka chinta. Chavu chinta. Balya mannadi chinta. Vardhavyakam oka chinta. Jeevinchuta oka chinta. Chedupu chinta. Karmalanniyu chinta. Kashtamu oka chinta. Santasamu oka chinta. Vyanta chinta. ఇన్ని చింతలు పాపాడు ఆ సర్వీస్ గురించి ఏమి దిక్కుమానసి అంతే చింత రైట్ ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ యూ గో టు ద గాడ్ టుడే ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్ హౌ ద వరల్డ్ ఇస్ ఫర్ సెలెక్టింగ్ గాడ్ ఆల్సో వి ఆర్ ఫైటింగ్ ఈచ్ అదర్ వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ రన్ అరౌండ్ us సో రిమెంబర్ యూ ఆర్ ద మాస్టర్ అండ్ యూ ఆర్ ద స్టూడెంట్ we are here not to teach even if you teach can you change never. If you want to change, then only you can change. Am I? So that changing should be come up from your mind. So tune your mind. And mom said, she is a psychologist already. Your mind is like white paper. Whatever you write, it will be existed. So give always the positive suggestions. What you think, what you read, what you watch, what you meet, that are you. Am I? That are you. So I hope you will create sensations. And before I conclude, I would like to tell you one thing, Anna. Yesterday we talked in office. America, present America, 80% are girls are the women boss in America. No? Those are the bosses in America. India also soon become within 25 years. I hope so. Where and you know the secret or no, I don't know. Compared to men and women, we are the men. We have physical attribute only. We have strength in physical. That's it. But intellectual ability you have. You are the matured persons compared to men. God has given that strength to you. Any organ run by the women, that organ will be developed, no doubt at all. It's a history. It's a history. And if the woman has a power, definitely that country will be changed. So I think you will have the power and you can change our nation. Thank you very much.